Hi, today I'll walk you through how we helped a large steel PSU drive EBITDA uplift. The company had an annual capacity of nearly 5.5 lakh metric ton, but actual sales averaged only 4 lakh metric ton, leaving headroom for volume led growth. So the opportunity areas were clear. EBITDA had to come from increase in volume, product mix, S&OP discipline, commercial governance cadence, and Salesforce effectiveness. In this journey, my role as expert sales from McKinsey was to guide the commercial workstream, spanning go-to market, channels, and Salesforce effectiveness, while ensuring tight alignment with production and supply chain. Our diagnostic revealed 5 core issues holding back performance. First, product mix. A large share of production was in semi-finished products like billet, blooms, which had low contribution margins. There were very limited focus on selling special or value-added steels, where the realization was significantly higher. Second was on geographic mix. Distribution followed annual quotas since they were following legacy traditions, being a PSU, rather than driving profitability through higher realization geographies. Third was on S&OP. Forecasting was done at a product segment level, not at a customer SKU level, which actually led to frequent overstocking of certain SKUs while there was shortage of others. Fourth was on Salesforce coverage. It was misaligned with customer spread, geography, and ROI. There were no clear targets or KPIs or customer to representative mapping. And fifth was on governance. Reviews focus only on output metrics with no structured cadence for input drivers. So to address these challenges, we launched 4 major interventions. On product mix, we identified 8 external conversion units across geographies to convert semi-finished products into high margin TMT bars. Now the scope of opportunity to sell TMT bars was much higher across geographies. Additionally, we also introduced an advanced order system to capture special steel demand 3 months ahead of time. Cross-functional teams were set up to co-develop products for specific requirements of specific customers. On S&OP, we implemented a time-boxed SKU-level forecasting process. On Salesforce effectiveness, the team was restructured by customer segment and geography, thereby ensuring optimal coverage. On governance, we introduced bottom-up planning workshops each quarter and set input level targets alongside output KPIs. These were tracked weekly in a sales war room, ensuring accountability and rapid course correction. So what was the impact that we were able to bring in? The first and foremost was the surge in volume. Second was in terms of the product mix shift. From semis, we were able to sell more of TMT and special steel, which were very high margin products. Then the SKU level S&OP reduced both stockouts and overstocking, improving service level. The coverage redesign boosted customer penetration and sell-through. And the war room cadence drove accountability with much faster course correction.